We have been gifted with a beautiful planet, the Earth. We are given this wonderful world with beautiful, lush green forests, blue ocean, beautiful corals, and amazing creatures. But what have we done to them? What have we done to this world?
Marine debris is defined by NOAA as any persistent solid material that is manufactured or processed and directly or indirectly, intentionally or unintentionally disposed or abandoned into the marine environment or the Great Lakes. Marine debris and plastic pollution are harming our marine mammals. This includes the baleen whales, toothed whales, manatees and dugongs, seals, otters, and many more. In this video, we will show you how marine debris and plastic pollution is harming our beloved marine mammals.
This is a story of a mother pilot whale who grieves over her dead calf. A mother is holding her newborn young and it's dead. She is reluctant to let it go and has been carrying it around for many days. In top apparatus like this, industrial chemical can build up to a dangerous level. For the longest time, plastics leach into the oceans and ingested by the plankton. Fish then consume them and marine mammals eat the fish. And plastics could be part of the problem. As plastics break down, it combines with other pollutants and it then be consumed by a vast number of marine creatures. With each successive tier of the food web, these substances become more concentrated. Killer whales, being at the very top of the trophic level, have the highest levels of ever recorded in any animals. It is possible that her calf might have been poisoned by her own contaminated milk. Pilot whales have big brains and they can certainly feel emotions. Judging from the behavior of the adults, the loss of the infant has affected the entire family. Unless the flow of plastics and industrial pollution in the ocean is reduced, marine life will be poisoned by them for many years to come.
On the southern coast of Thailand, time is running out for rescuers. This pilot whale is stranded, starving to death. If the team leave it, it will drown. It cannot eat because its stomach is full of plastics. For 5 days, they protected the whale from any dangers, desperate to save its life, but the damage is too bad until the whale cannot bear it. This picture after its death shows 80 plastic bags found in the whale and 8 kilograms of human waste slowly killing it. So today I will be interviewing a veterinarian. We have Dr. Wachara Sakon here. So doctor, can you share with us a little bit about cetacean plastic ingestion?
The food cannot go to the intestine, so the animal cannot get any nutrients from the food. And I'm not sure the plastic have additive, and sometimes the plastic additive is a poison for the is a toxic for the animals.
Thank you, Doctor, for sharing with us. This shows that marine species that ingest by plastic debris can cause severe injuries and even death. With tons of bags and bottles clogging up our ocean, more animals will die. Only drastic action will solve this plastic pollution.
But plastics aren't the only enemies of our oceans. One of the lesser known threats to marine lives are ghost gears. Ghost gear are not as easy to spot as common plastic waste, hence its name. The gears mentioned refers to abundant fishing gear, which is nets, long lines, hooks, fish traps, lobster pots, and any man-made fishing equipment that's been lost or discarded at sea. They are engineered to withstand harsh marine conditions. They continue to fish uncontrolled for a long time, keeping the fishing efficiency for years, causing loss in fish resources as well as in populations of marine mammals. This is known as ghost fishing. The tangled mass of nets can become quite big, trapping any critter that is unfortunate enough to swim into them. This is a clip showing a humpback whale that was all tangled up while dragging the anchor and buoys. Study shows up to 1 million tons of fishing gear are lost each year in the world oceans. We need to do something to prevent this, or else marine lives will continuously be threatened for many years to come.
As we know, plastic industry is one of the largest and fastest growing manufacturing industries in the world. This has led to a large extension by increased global consumerism and social pressure to favor the demand for single-use products. But we must remember, plastic takes 20 to 500 years to decompose. According to Roman et al. 2019, the death in megafauna can result from the ingestion of just one item of debris. Conservation management done to lessen the threats of plastic pollution to marine mammals is through the regulation and prohibitions of plastic packaging. This can be seen in Burkina Faso, Chad, Democratic Republic of Congo, Togo and Turkey have instituted regulation including bans on production, import, marketing, and distribution of non-biodegradable plastic packaging. Next conservation step is through the replacement of plastic culture, agricultural shifting with the environmentally sustainable alternative. This can be done by the replacement with the biodegradable or photodegradable alternative.
Marine debris and plastic pollutions are threatening our marine mammals. Many have died and more will if we don't do something about it. Humans started this problem and only humans can fix it. We too believe prevention is better than cure. Preventing the entry of marine debris and plastic into our ocean is the first step. We should invest and step up our waste management system, reuse, recycle, and reduce whenever possible. Even if we stop trash entirely from entering the ocean, there is something that will keep hunting our marine mammals, which are the ghost nets. WWF have said that the ghost gear are the most lethal threat of plastic waste in the world. With a growing world population, there will be a greater demand for marine resources and therefore increase the use of fishing nets, which will reflect in more ghost nets in the ocean. Experts believe that laws, policies, and innovation in fishing gear design will solve the threat. While our experts are still working toward a concrete solution, our marine mammals are still dying. So, how long more should we wait? Hence, my group suggests we should reduce our seafood intake, or better, be a vegan. It is not an easy step, but it is also not impossible. In conclusion, Marine debris and plastic pollution is a challenge that we all must overcome before it is too late for our marine mammals. That's all from us. Thank you.